Hello crafties, so let's make a kawaii pocket diary. So here I have taken black thick chart paper, or you can use cardstock, and some notebook paper, and I have mentioned the sizes in the video. So I have cut according to the sizes, the paper and the cardstock, and now here I have taken some thin strip to attach it all together, and I will fix it all together using Fevicol glue. And just let it dry for a minute or two. So here I have these galaxy stickers, so I'm just using that. If you want to see how I made this, you can check the video on my channel. And I'm just drawing little doodle with a golden glitter pen or metallic jelly rolls pen. And it's done. Our cute mini pocket diary is ready. So cute. I love how it turned it out, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe for more videos, and do like and comment on the video how you like it and what you like to see next. Bye bye. Take care.